Welcome to another video. This is Joey's from Superstore Finder. Making this video is to talk about the new release that I've uploaded at CodeCanyon, which is patch 2.4. It's basically, if you go to the user guide available, if you go to CodeCanyon, you just click on the installation document guide and click on configuring settings. It has the new feature that I've added, which is configure settings, a button at admin area. Let me show you what I'm gonna do and how this new feature works. Basically, if you go to the admin area, log in, you'll see a small gear icon or cog icon on the top right of your admin area. Just click on it. You'll be able to see the general settings which you can edit, and also the style settings. So you can change its colors. Okay, for instance, here I've installed a purple theme, WordPress. It's a WordPress theme that I've installed. So for instance, your website is all purple in color, mostly purple, and you would like to add a style locator here. So let me give you an example over here. If you go to the admin area here, you can actually set up all the colors that match your style locator. Okay, let me go to with you one by one. The default language is currently English. You can choose other languages if you want. You can choose miles or kilometers. Default, as you can see, let me show you the store finder. Okay, this is the purple theme that I've created, but I want to create something that matches this theme after this, just to show you how to configure the style settings. Okay, if you change to kilometers and save and you refresh this page, it will show default as kilometers. Okay, this is the language settings. Initial zoom is whenever you load the store finder, this is the initial zoom, which is 10. If you choose 1, it's like zooming the whole world. It zooms out. Let me show you how it works. That. So let's choose somewhere around 4. Just to refresh the page again. Okay, 4 will have a zoom out level that you can see, like part of United States. The zoom here level is when you click on an icon, you click zoom here, will actually zoom in, so you'll have a bigger value, which shows closer to the area. Actually, 19 is the maximum. Let's try to put 15. You don't want to show it too near. Okay, let's try it again. Zoom here. So as you can see, it zooms out a little bit from the previous value. GeoIP, if you would like to turn it on, then you can just turn it on. It will detect your location, and if you set an initial location, it will just go to that location initially. Let me show you. Let's put US and initial zoom around 9. So when you refresh the store finder, we have a closer zoom and we'll show the state of New York. Okay, moving right along is I'm gonna show you how to set up or configure the style settings. So if you refer to the documentation here, I've provided a in-depth detail over there on how you can actually set the settings. Put the style settings over here. I've created I've made arrows, so you can see like map hue color is the color of the map, top bar background is the color of the background, and so forth. You'll be able to choose with a color picker, and if you like to restore to default, you can leave it as blank, or you can just click on restore default settings, which will revert back to the original map as in the Store Finder demo. I'll show you. The original color will be something like this for the non-responsive, and for the responsive version is something like this. This is the original theme or style settings. Okay, so now let's get back to the purple theme. We would like to put a store locator here, so I'm trying to create on the fly here the color settings. Okay, let's choose the purple, the light purple for the map. Let's get a darker color for the background. And the font will be greenish, light green. Border can be purple as well. Okay, the results will be this part over here. Results background, let's choose a slightly purplish. Okay, the highlighted one is whenever you roll over. Blue is nice actually. And that's the hover one. The highlighted one is when you click. Let's put white. Okay, and results text font has to be black in this case, since the highlighted one is black. Okay, results distance font. This is basically this one. It's blue right now, so we'll have to change that to maybe a brighter color. The contact button is basically this one. Okay, it's purple. It's already nice there. You can change the button fonts as well. This is white, and the button background is purple, just fine. You can change the numbering as well. Let's put red there just to show you how it works. Red with a white font. Save it. You can preview the output just to see how everything has changed. Okay, it's looking good. Okay, I want to paste this in the WordPress theme, so just have to copy the iframe and go to the WordPress page admin. Okay, I'll just have to paste it. And make sure you click on HTML, not the visual one. Because visually shows the iframe. Click on HTML, paste the code, and publish or update. Once saved, if you refresh the page, you can see that the store locator is showing nicely on your WordPress theme. Okay. Zoom levels, you can still view street view. So everything is working perfectly fine. So let's recap again. In the administrator area, click on the settings. It is a gear icon on the top right. You can manage your general settings such as language, default distance, initial zoom, so turning it on or off your geo IP, and also set an initial location on where the initial location when the map starting to load. Okay, the last one is the colors of the styling of your map. Basically, you can refer to the documentation I provided an in-depth guide here with arrows so you can know which color represents which element of the map. Okay. It works for non-responsive. Well, I have a demo here. So you can see you can edit the colors according to your need. So if you have any questions, you can drop a comment, or you can send me a message through my profile page at Codecademy or the support page. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next time. See you. Cheers.